Hello, tech enthusiasts and farming innovators. Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge agricultural technology and revolutionary farming solutions. If you're passionate about automation, smart farming, and next-gen agricultural equipment, you've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring one of the most significant advancements in modern farming smart grass cutting technology. Imagine transitioning from manual, time-consuming mowing to a completely automated, high-precision system that saves time, energy, and costs. Whether you own a large-scale farm, a ranch, or a commercial landscaping business, smart grass cutting solutions can completely transform your workflow. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive deep into how smart automation is revolutionizing the way we cut grass. The evolution of grass cutting, a journey through time. Traditional methods, hard work, low efficiency. For centuries, grass cutting was a completely manual task. Farmers and landscapers relied on basic tools like scythes and sickles, requiring hours of physical labor to maintain their fields. With the Industrial Revolution, the invention of the mechanical mower changed the game. But these machines still required human operation. By the 20th century, tractor-mounted mowers and gas-powered grass cutters made mowing fields faster, but they still demanded significant manpower and fuel costs. Modernization, the rise of mechanized equipment. In the past few decades, ride-on mowers and self-propelled machines have improved efficiency. However, even with mechanized solutions, farmers still have to operate, maintain, and plan mowing schedules manually. Fast forward to today, and we are witnessing a technological revolution in grass cutting. The emergence of smart AI-powered and autonomous mowers is transforming this process into a fully automated, effortless task. The smart grass cutting revolution. What's changing? The transition from manual to automatic mowing is being driven by three major advancements. Autonomous mowers, machines that cut grass without human intervention. AI and GPS integration, advanced mapping, and precision control for optimal efficiency. Smart farm connectivity, integration with IoT, data analysis, and remote monitoring. These innovations not only make grass cutting easier, but also increase efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize environmental impact. Let's break down how these technologies are shaping the future. Autonomous grass cutting machines. The future is here. One of the biggest game changers in modern farming is the autonomous grass cutting machine. These self-driving mowers are designed to scan, navigate, and mow fields with minimal human intervention. Key benefits of autonomous mowers. Hands-free operation. No need for manual driving or pushing. Precision cutting uses GPS and AI for even optimized grass cutting. Energy efficiency. Many operate on solar or electric power, cutting fuel costs. Time saving. While the mower works, farmers can focus on other tasks. Smart sensors detect obstacles, terrain variations, and grass height in real time. Popular autonomous mowers in 2025. Husqvarna Automower, a fully electric robotic mower with advanced sensors. John Deere Tango uses AI and GPS for high-efficiency navigation. Cress RTK mower, ideal for precision farming and large-scale operations. These machines aren't just futuristic ideas, they are becoming essential tools for modern farms and commercial landscapes. AI-powered smart tractors, the backbone of modern farming. Beyond robotic mowers, AI-powered tractors are transforming how large fields are maintained. These intelligent machines combine automation, GPS guidance, and machine learning to optimize grass cutting and overall field management. How smart tractors work. Autonomous navigation uses GPS and LiDAR for precise movement. Variable cutting heights adjusts blade levels based on grass type and growth. Real-time data collection monitors soil health, grass density, and weather conditions. Remote control and monitoring can be operated from a smartphone or computer. Popular AI-powered tractors. John Deere 8, our autonomous tractor, fully driverless and perfect for large farms. Kubota X tractor uses AI to analyze soil and optimize cutting strategies. New Holland T for electric, a sustainable electric-powered tractor with autonomous capabilities. These smart tractors ensure maximum efficiency while reducing labor and maintenance costs. Smart sensors and AI-driven grass cutting optimization. Another critical factor in modern grass cutting is AI-powered sensors that analyze and optimize mowing schedules. How AI improves grass cutting? Smart cameras and sensors. Detects grass height, density, and soil moisture. Weather prediction, AI analyzes real-time weather data to plan optimal mowing schedules. Predictive maintenance alerts farmers when equipment needs repairs. Automated scheduling AI software determines the best times to mow. The result? Higher efficiency, reduced costs, and a more sustainable approach to farming. Sustainability and the future of smart grass cutting. Eco-friendly solutions for the modern farm. The push toward sustainability has led to the development of solar-powered mowers, reducing carbon emissions and fuel dependency. Electric tractors offering zero-emission alternatives for large-scale farms. AI-optimized routes, reducing unnecessary fuel usage through smart navigation. By combining AI, robotics, and eco-friendly energy sources, farms are becoming more sustainable and cost-effective. Future innovations to watch. Drone-assisted mowing. Drones mapping grass growth and directing mowers. 5G connected farms. Instant communication between all farm machinery. Fully automated farm systems where every aspect of grass cutting, soil monitoring, and maintenance is AI-driven. How to transition from manual to automatic grass cutting. Step 1. Assess your farm's needs. Determine the size and terrain of your fields. Identify current mowing challenges and inefficiencies. Step 2. Choose the right technology. Small to medium farms. Robotic mowers with smart sensors. Large-scale operations, AI-powered tractors, and automated mowing systems. Step 3. Integrate AI and smart systems. Use GPS-based automation for precision mowing. Install AI-powered sensors for real-time monitoring. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Track mowing efficiency through remote monitoring software. Adjust mowing schedules based on weather and soil conditions. The future is smart farming. The days of manual, labor-intensive grass cutting are ending. With autonomous mowers, AI-driven tractors, and data-powered farming technology, farmers can now achieve more efficiency than ever before. What's next? Will fully autonomous farms become the norm? Can AI and robotics completely replace manual mowing? What role will sustainable energy sources play in future agriculture? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more cutting-edge farming innovations. Turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates in smart agriculture. See you in the next video where we continue to explore how technology is revolutionizing farming.